Learn Hindi past transformation. I became to they became in.
Hindi.
Welcome to becoming. Hey, you are about to learn a whole squad of useful Hindi transformation phrases. And yes, there will be drama, glory, and at least one emotionally complicated potato. Today your mission is simple. Learn how to say things like I became, he became, and they became in Hindi. You will hear each phrase in a fun context, repeat it in your head, and maybe out loud if nobody is judging you. Our stars today are
मैं बना.
for I became,
तुम बन रहे थे.
for you were becoming,
वो बना.
for he became,
वो बनी.
for she became,
ये हुआ.
for it became,
हम बने.
for we became,
तुम सब बने.
for you all became, and
वे बने.
for they became. The hero mirror. Let us start with the most dramatic phrase of all, talking about yourself. Because obviously you are the main character. Look in the imaginary mirror and say,
मैं बना.
it means I became. Yesterday, I became the team leader becomes, yesterday.
मैं बना.
The team leader. In the story, I became a hero becomes, in the story.
मैं बना.
A hero. Funny image. A potato wearing sunglasses shouts,
मैं बना.
king of snacks. Memory tip.
मैं
Sounds like main, the main person, you. And
बना.
is became, so.
मैं बना.
Is I became. Slow motion change. Now we switch from instant transformation to dramatic movie montage mode. Sweat, wind, training music, and one very serious face. The phrase
तुम बन रहे थे.
means you were becoming. It shows an ongoing process in the past, not a quick finished change. You were becoming stronger every day becomes.
तुम हर दिन मजबूत बन रहे थे.
You were becoming more confident becomes.
तुम अधिक आत्मविश्वासी बन रहे थे.
Picture a training montage where you climb stairs, punch the air, and dramatically stare at the sunrise while a voice says,
तुम बन रहे थे.
he, she, and the crown problem. Now let us meet two people who clearly found a crown lying around and decided it was destiny. He became is.
वो बना.
She became is.
वो बनी.
Notice the difference.
बना.
For he became, and
बनी.
for she became. After years of training, he became a doctor.
वो डॉक्टर बना.
After years of practice, she became confident.
वो आत्मविश्वासी बनी.
Mini comedy. He puts on a paper crown and says,
वो बना.
king of the kitchen. Then she walks in with a bigger crown and calmly says,
वो बनी.
queen of the whole building. When things get weird, sometimes not a person but a situation changes. That is where things get philosophical, or at least mildly confusing. It became in this learning set is.
ये हुआ.
In the end, it became clear can be expressed with.
ये हुआ.
In context. After the rain, it became cold, after the rain.
ये हुआ.
That it turned cold. Imagine a sunny day becoming stormy, and a narrator with too much emotion whispers.
ये हुआ.
Even funnier. A normal sandwich suddenly becomes spicy enough to change your life, and your friend points at it and says,
ये हुआ.
we became legends. Now we go from lonely hero to glorious team energy. Cue the slow motion group walk. We became is.
हम बने.
You all became is.
तुम सब बने.
They became is.
वे बने.
We became friends after the trip.
हम बने.
Friends after the trip. After practice, you all became stronger.
तुम सब बने.
Stronger. They became leaders in the group.
वे बने.
Leaders in the group. Picture a whole group of potatoes in capes yelling,
हम बने.
heroes. Then another team hears this and says, excuse us.
तुम सब बने.
Noisy. Meanwhile, the audience points and says,
वे बने.
famous for absolutely no reason. Quick dialogue drill. Time for fast, fun listening practice. Just follow the tiny scenes and let the phrases stick. A. What happened after training? B.
मैं बना.
Stronger. A. What was happening to you during the meeting? B.
तुम बन रहे थे.
Quieter. A. What happened to him? B.
वो बना.
A leader. A. And what happened to her? B.
वो बनी.
A doctor. A. What happened in the end? B.
ये हुआ.
Everything changed. A. What happened to us after all that practice? B.
हम बने.
Better. A. What happened to the whole team? B.
तुम सब बने.
Champions. A. And the other group? B.
वे बने.
Our rivals. Mini quiz time. No pressure. If you miss one, the Potato King will forgive you. Probably. How do you say I became?
मैं बना.
How do you say you were becoming?
तुम बन रहे थे.
How do you say he became?
वो बना.
How do you say she became?
वो बनी.
How do you say it became?
ये हुआ.
How do you say we became?
हम बने.
How do you say you all became?
तुम सब बने.
How do you say they became?
वे बने.
Your final challenge. Now you do the meaning work. You have got this, language warrior. Say in Hindi, I became a hero.
मैं बना.
A hero. Say in Hindi, you were becoming stronger.
तुम बन रहे थे.
Stronger. Say in Hindi, he became king.
वो बना.
King. Say in Hindi, she became famous.
वो बनी.
Famous. Say in Hindi, it became clear.
ये हुआ.
That it became clear. Say in Hindi, we became friends.
हम बने.
Friends. Say in Hindi, you all became champions.
तुम सब बने.
Champions. Say in Hindi, they became teachers.
वे बने.
Teachers. Thanks and keep going. Nice work. You just learned a full set of Hindi past transformation phrases without falling off the grammar mountain. Thank you for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing.
मैं बना. तुम बन रहे थे. वो बना. वो बनी. ये हुआ. हम बने. तुम सब बने.
And.
वे बने.
Repeat them tomorrow, use them in tiny sentences, and let your Hindi grow step by step. You are doing great, so keep practicing and come back for more.